You know, one of the reasons I think love is so important in relation to the law of attraction is, if you look, the way I teach the law of attraction is there are 3 stages: ask, believe, and receive. And to receive, we need to be a vibrational match for that which we want to attract into our life. And when we're in a state of joy, when we're in a state of love, when we're in a state of generosity and expansiveness, then we're in the state that is attractive. We're going to attract more things into our life that are going to help us experience more love, experience more joy, experience more expansiveness. So it kind of feeds itself, if you will. So for me, I believe love is a choice. And so I'm constantly choosing to be loving. My affirmation or my purpose statement in life is to inspire and empower people to live their highest vision in the context of love and joy. Because the 2 qualities, when I experience me being most me, are love and joy. And then how does that express out into the world? It's when I express that, I do it by inspiring people with Chicken Soup for the Soul stories and empowering people with tools to create their highest vision, both in their relationships, in their financial life, in their health, and in what contribution they want to make into the world. What I think in terms of the law of attraction and loving relationships is we're often attracting people into our life that we actually need to learn to work with in order to grow ourselves. So we might need to learn to develop patience, or we might need to learn to develop our ability to be assertive in terms of our communication. So I don't think all relationships are meant to be without growth, without potential conflict, without potential stretching and taking us into places where we might need to move. So that, like, my wife is extremely authentic and extremely spontaneous and reaches out in ways that are much more, I'm more shy and more introverted. And so by me being attracted to her, she's helping me develop aspects of myself that I might not. And her being attracted to me, I'm helping her develop her groundedness and her sense of focus and so forth. So for me, I always want to attract people who are going to help me grow. And so the idea is it's not just will always be easy, but that it will be for my highest good. And so basically, I think that when we're focusing on the kind of person we want to draw in our life, there's kind of the surface level of what that's about, but there's always deeper things that are going on that we don't realize they're there until we're in the process of it. And so for me, you know, I'm always looking to go to my next level, and I'm attracting people into my life that help me do that. You know, for me, love is the highest vibration that I've been able to experience. And no matter what I do, if I take anything I want and I go to the deepest level of it, what I'm really looking for is the experience of love. And for me, it's a state of deep inner peace, a state, there's quality, like love is like a diamond. There's different qualities, facets of a diamond. So I experience joy, I experience appreciation, I experience the desire to give. Sometimes when I'm experiencing love, there's a huge peacefulness. Sometimes it brings up in me a lot of energy and excitement and an attraction towards something that I think that I love. So love can be something I'm emitting, and it also is kind of something where I'll experience an attraction to something. So there's many facets of it. Well, for me, the highest form of love is agape. It's unconditional love. It's I'm going to love you. My love for you is not dependent on you acting a certain way or being a certain way or doing a certain thing. It's like, I always use the metaphor, the sun shines because it's the nature of the sun to shine. It doesn't look down on New Orleans and go, oh, you've been bad today, I'm not going to shine on you. And so the sun fulfills its purpose by shining and radiating. And I think we fulfill our purpose by radiating love. And so that's our nature, that's our essence, that's who we really are, and everything else kind of gets in the way, our judgments, our beliefs, our criticism. So for me, it's constantly removing those so the real me can come out.